What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Want to talk to you about some interesting stats that I found, and I really want to make sure I share these with you guys because I think they were really cool. It opened my eyes to the accumulation of crypto in other countries. So obviously, being from the U.S., you hear about most of the stuff going on here. You don't hear about a lot of stuff that's happening elsewhere. But before we get into it, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button again. That way you'll know when all of our content here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel is live for your viewing pleasure. So apparently more than a third of Africa's 53 million crypto owners are from Nigeria. Now, first of all, I didn't even realize that there were 53 million crypto holders in Africa in general. I had no idea of this. And apparently that 53 million crypto holders in Africa as a continent, now accounts for 16.5% of the global total, which is insane. Because, when I, and maybe I just don't obviously know that much about Africa. I've never been there, but I think of more of Africa as like this, big desert. And I understand that there are, lots of parts of Africa that are not, that don't have that climate. That's just like the first thing that jumps to my head. I've seen like the satellite imagery, from back in the day, like on your globes in your classrooms and stuff. And it's just like this big brown spot filled with sand. And, it's just not what I expected. I wasn't expecting to see that high of numbers. So now not only is there 16.5% of the total global population that, is holding crypto in Africa in general, but more than a third of that is just in the country of Nigeria. Now, this was a crazy statistic for me. I didn't realize that there was this much of a concentration of crypto holders in just one section of Africa. Now, obviously, I know that Nigeria is a large country that has a large population and stuff like that, so it makes a little more sense. But it just goes to show you that there's so much more room for growth as far as the rest of the continent goes. There's a lot of accumulation that can still happen, which is kind of cool. So the United States is the top ranked country for crypto holders in the world. Nigeria is ranked fourth. According to the data, India and Pakistan are the next top ranked countries with 27.4 and 26.4 million crypto owners. See, again, I would not have expected this because I would have expected like China and pretty much China. I think China I would have expected. And then, some South American countries and stuff I would expect would have been a little larger. So that kind of caught me off guard. Again, I was not expecting that to be the case, but, thought this was interesting to bring up to you. We're going to see a big jump very soon in the amount of crypto holders in all countries, really. There's so much adoption happening everywhere. There's new countries that are taking on cryptocurrency and adopting it as a digital currency. There's countries that are working on developing their own backed crypto for, just for digital transactions, because that's the way obviously everything seems to be going. So they want their own, obviously, piece of the pie. But again, this was just to keep you guys kind of informed. I thought this was cool info. Not too much else to say. Besides that, don't want this video to get too long. So if you haven't already, again, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, because again, that way you'll know when all of our content here at ClearCryptos goes live. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Appreciate you guys taking time out of your day. And take care.